The mission for Ikea is to create a better everyday life for the many people, and that means every people, customers and suppliers. Before we had Power Platform solution, we were operating homemade Excel sheets, trying to capture so much data we could. That required a lot of manual work. And now when we have the Power Platform in place, we are putting less time in manual work, but in the same time, now we are a part of the customer journey that we didn't manage to exceed before we had the dynamics in place. Now when we have the MVP up and running, it gave us a lot of insights when it comes to how the behavior from the customer is and the data we didn't have before. One important thing is change management. You're used to meet our customers in one way, and now we need to make it possible another way. That means our first meeting could be digital, our last meeting could be physical. So how can we take the advantage of those? That requires change management, but it also requires to be more visionary when it comes to different solutions. One of the purposes to make a Power Platform was to secure that we have a foundation in place. The next step for us is to make a wow customer journey. It's really important for me to say it's not about creating a world-class customer experience, because that's an internal measurement. I would like to have the customer feel, wow, I didn't imagine I could have that support the whole journey. The world around us is changing, and I would say that's wrong. It's you and me that are changing, and that requires something. Either we lead or we follow the change. We choose to lead the change. That means that we together with Dynamics and Microsoft choose to do something people said that's not possible